Abarth Day 2018. If this is going to be anywhere near as good as last year, we're in for a good day. As you guys can see, I am here very early, and the reason is because I'm actually displaying my car at this year's Abarth Day, which is absolutely awesome, and I'm also doing a little bit of a meet and greet. This is an event effectively where owners and potential customers can come down, experience the brand they love, which is Abarth, and just take out some of their cars on track, see some of the heritage cars, and just get acquainted to just the awesomeness that is Abarth and all its passion and character that it brings. Right now, you can see behind me, there's probably not that much going on because, well, there's no one here yet. Hello, mate. How's it going? Oh, right.
What's happening, brother?
We're doing this, yeah? Let me just get my seatbelt on.
So last time we were together, we were driving fast in a straight line.
Yes, we were 180 odd mile an hour in AMG GTR. This time we're going to drive sideways. So
That's the plan.
let's do it. There we go. That's what I'm talking about, mate.
Oh, he's missed the game.
It's all good. Keep it going, keep it going. Yes, mate. Ledge, as always, mate. Legend. Oh man, that's what I'm saying. These cars are insane if you want to have fun. Let's get out. Okay, so what's just happened? Well, that is absolutely ridiculous. Okay, so for those of you who you wouldn't have seen the video because I haven't actually created it yet. I've got such a backlog of edit that you probably would have seen what me and Elliot were referring to. Now, Elliot is a superb precision driver, and I was at SMMT with him and Mercedes, and he took me out in an AMG GTR around the big speed bowl, and we were doing about 180 odd mile an hour. So that was what that reference was to. But this is insane. And again, you know, like I always say with the 124 Spider, it's all about how much fun you can have with it. It's not the fastest of cars in the world, but it definitely is one of the funnest cars out there. Drifting, convertible roof, I mean, what more do you want for a car? Fantastic. And the GT will be out soon as well. All right, okay, so it's that time now, guys. Behind me here, you've got the Abarth 595 Comp, and it's about to go on two wheels. I didn't think I'd really say this. Like, you only ever see a car going on two wheels if it's about to have a significant accident. But yeah, as you can see, I have strapped GoPros to the car, so we should get a really good perspective of what it's like to drive this thing on two wheels. So he'll be taken out on that course there. I'm excited to see it. So let's see how he gets on. something you don't see all the time, really, is it? A 595 being driven on 2 wheels, which is absolutely ridiculous. So, and I also managed to get the GoPros in the car, which makes things even better. Right, what else we got? I need to get some food because I'm absolutely starving. We've seen the drifts, we've seen loads of other stuff, so yeah. I mean, look at this. It's mad, isn't it? As you do. Just super casual. Oh, that thud. Okay, right, so Abarth Day 2018 so far. How is it going? It's been absolutely mental. I think there's been a huge amount of people turn up to this, which is absolutely insane. But I'm kind of a little bit overwhelmed as to the amount of you guys that came over to me to the little meet and greet thing. I was a bit worried that only like 1 or 2 people of you would turn up, which is absolutely fine, but I think we had quite a few people come, which is awesome, and even after that, people are coming over to talk to me, which is I'm just so grateful that you guys are watching the videos. So there's been a lot going on. There's some good food out here as well. Obviously, you can probably see behind me there, where everybody's queuing up to take out some of the Abarth range. So you've got the Wonderful Spider that's available. You've got the other cars, the 595 Comps, and over on the other side, you've got hot laps in the 695 Imposto. I've already done all that kind of stuff this morning, so I'm probably not going to do too much of that now. But there's a lot going on. It's very hot out there. You can probably see by my face I'm actually quite sunburned. But yeah, overall this has been amazing. So I want to show you guys at least some of the owners' cars that have come down here, because there's a lot of work that has gone into some of these cars. So let's do that now. Let's head back through the tunnel and see what's going on the other side of the stadium. The one thing with being here at Rockingham is it's kind of super windy. But yeah, no, I'm going to move my car out now with the other owners, because it's easier to get home from there as well, so I'm going to be doing that right now. But it's been really good. I think most of the people I've spoken to here today have been really positive about the event. It's a little bit disappointing, if I'm honest, that we've had some people not turn up. You know, people have their reasons, etc. But I don't know, personally I think Abarth Day it's a day for everyone to come out and enjoy. So yeah, mixed bag of emotion about that, if I'm honest with you. But yeah, it's been wicked, and again the meet and greet was awesome. So thank you. But I'm excited to see what owners' cars are here, because I haven't actually gone outside yet. So let's do it. You can hear tyres squealing everywhere and wind noise. So I'll catch up with you guys in a moment. Okay, it is mega windy at the moment, so I'm not sure how much you can hear me, but I'm now in the area all the owners' cars have been parked, and there's a fair few of them, so I think a montage is probably in order. So yeah, roll the music. Been manic. I think over the last 24 hours it's just been non-stop from the get-go, but it's been incredible. It's been amazing meeting so many people. Thank you all of those again who came down to the meet and greet. It really means a lot to me, and I really appreciate it. But I'm going to call it a day. I've got a long way home. I think that wraps it up nicely. But again, for anyone who hasn't been to Abarth Day, it's a great opportunity to test out some cars, do what you want to do with them, you know, get a feel for the brand, and for existing owners as well, just to have a laugh and meet and, you know, get involved with everything that's going on. So I've had a great time. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe over here for Instagram if you haven't already. But yeah, my name is Stef, and I'll see you all very soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.